Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python program that prints a number, its square and a cube repeatedly in range of 1, n. So given the value of n, so you have to take the range from 1 to n and you have to print the number, its square and cube. So that is a problem statement. So let's try to solve this. Let's take a variable n in order to store the value of n over here, and let's use an input function called to ask a user to enter value of n, or let's say enter value of n. So let's use colon and then let's convert this to an integer type using the type conversion. So once we get the value of n, so we have to use the for loop to iterate from 1 is to n and print the that is number, its square and cube. So for that so let's use a for loop. For number, let's take in and let's use a range of 1 comma n plus 1. So the reason I am using n plus 1 is in order to include the value of n. So that's the reason n plus 1 I'll be using, and number is a temporary variable. So let's take this number and let's try to print the number, its square and cube. So let's use a print function over here, and let's use a print formatting, and number is, so let's give colon and let's try to print the that is a number. And now so we have printed a number, so we have to print the square of a number. So let's again use a print function and let's use a print formatting. So square of number, or let's directly give the number over here by printing it. Square of number is, so let's give colon and let's try to square the number. So in order to square the number in Python, so we'll be using the double star operator. So let's take the number and raise it to power of 2. So in order to raise it to power of 2, so you have to use a double star operator. And so let's again use a print function, and here let's try to print the cube of number. So let's say cube of, let's try to print the number in the flower braces and is, so let's give colon and let's try to use the number raised to power of 3. So so once we are done printing the number, square and cube, so let's use a print function again in order to print a new line character. So this is a complete Python program to print a number, its square and cube repeatedly in the range of 1 is to n. So there is another way you can modify this, that is number raised to the power of 2. So you can just use a multiplication operator, that is number multiplied by number, and in order to generate a cube, so you can use number multiplied by number multiplied by the number itself. So that is the another way you can use instead of using the double star operator. So double star is for the raising it to the power of 3 or power of 2 in our scenario. So so this is a complete Python program. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So enter value of n. So let's give simple 3. So you can see the number is 1, square of 1 is 1 and cube of 1 is 1. So the next is number is 2, square of 2 is 4, cube of 2 is 8. And here let's say number is 3, square of 3 is 9, cube of 3 is 27. Closing it, and let me run it again. So enter the value of n. So let's give 500. So you can see number is 500, square is this, and cube of 500 is this. So let's go up. So it has printed from 1 to up to 500. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to print the number, its square and cube repeatedly in the range of 1:n. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.